dear first class children, good morning. Welcome to maths class. Continuation of second chapter, numbers up to 20. That means 1 to 20 numbers, and ONE 1 to TWENTY 20 number names. Okay, in this chapter, in the previous classes, you have to learn 1 to 20 numbers, 1 to 20 number names. Next, ascending order, descending order, and place value chart. 1 to 9 numbers are called 1 digit numbers. 10 is the first 2 digit number, and 10 to 20 numbers are 2 digit numbers. 2 digit means that number having 2 places. That is going to place value. Yes or no? Tens and ones. Tens and ones. How many tens and how many ones in the given number? That is going to place value. Next, before, after, and between numbers. Next one, ascending order and descending order. Ascending order, increasing order, another name. In ascending order, we arrange the numbers from small number to big number. Second one goes to decreasing order or descending order. In descending order, we arrange the numbers from small number to, big number to small number. Okay, once again, ascending order and descending order, or increasing order or decreasing order. In ascending order, we arrange the given numbers from small number to big number. Okay, in descending order, we arrange the numbers from big number to small number. Once I am going to revise that, then go to find out the greatest number and smallest number and comparing the given numbers. Okay, come on, see. I am writing some numbers. First of all, I give you examples for ascending order and descending order. ASCENDING, ascending order. Increasing order, another name goes to increasing order. Ascending order, 16, 10, 17, 12, 18. Ascending order. Now we are going to arrange these numbers in ascending order. In ascending order, we arrange the numbers small number to big number. How do we identify in the given numbers which is the small? See, tens place number having 1 common. Yes or no? Next, compare ones place number. These are ones. Which number having less ones? 10. 10 having 0 ones. That's why 10 is the smallest among the given numbers. That's why 10 right in the first place. Very good. Next, 16, 17, 12, 18. Which comes in the second place? Very good. 12. Next, 16, 17, 18. 16. Very good. Next, 17. Next, 18 is biggest. It comes in the last place. Now, the given numbers are in ascending order. We arrange the given numbers from small number to big number. In this chapter, we learned up to 20. That's why I given numbers 1 to 20 only. Next example. 13, 9, 15, 8, 4. Arrange the given numbers in ascending order. Here you have to keep one rule here. 13, 15 are 2 digit numbers. 9, 8, 4 are 1 digit number. 1 digit numbers are always less than 2 digit numbers. Less than and 1 digit numbers are small, 2 digit numbers are big. Okay. Now first of all you take 1 digit numbers, compare 1 digit numbers. In the given 1 digit numbers, which is the small? 9, 8, 4. Yes, 4 comes in the first place. Very good. We arrange the given numbers in ascending order. Next, 8. Good. Next, 9. Now, look at the 2-digit numbers, 13 and 15. Which comes in the next place? 13. Very good. Next, 15 is the big. It comes in the last place. 4, 8, 9, 13, 15. We arrange the given numbers in ascending order. 1-digit numbers are less than 2-digit numbers. 2-digit numbers are more than 1-digit numbers. 1-digit numbers are 1 to 9. 2-digit numbers are 10 to 20. Are you clear about ascending order? Okay. Next, descending order. D-E-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G. Descending order or decreasing order. In descending order, we coming downwards. We arrange the numbers. Very good. Big number to small number. Can I give you examples? Come on. Okay. 7, 3, 9, 6, 4. Arrange the given numbers in descending order. DO means descending order. Yes. Which number comes first? Big number. Now find out which number is big in the given numbers. First you read the numbers 7, 3, 9, 6, 4. Which is big? Very good. 9. Then 9 right in the first place. Now go through remaining numbers. 7, 3, 6, 4. Now which number comes? Which is big? 7, 6, 4, 3. 7. Very good. Go through next numbers. 3, 6, 4. Yes, 6. Very good. Next 4. Which comes 4? The smallest number is 3. It comes in the last place. Now the given numbers are in descending order. In descending order, we arrange the given numbers big number to small number. Another example. Now I am going to take 2-digit numbers. 12, 17, 15, 10, 14. Arrange the given numbers in descending order. DO, descending order. Big number to small number. Now see, 12, 17, 15, 10, 14. Which is the big number? Yes, 17 is the big, right in the first place. Now go through next numbers. 12, 15, 10, 14. Yes, 15. Very good. Next, 14. Next, 12. Next, 10. 10 is the small. That's why it comes in the last place. In the given numbers, 10 is the small, 17 is the big. This arrangement of numbers is called descending order. Descending order. In descending order, we arrange the given numbers big number to small number. By practicing, you get perfection in ascending order and descending order. Okay? Ascending order and descending order. Ascending order small to big. Descending order big to small. Okay? Next one. Find the greatest number or smallest number. In the given numbers, which is the greatest and which is the smallest. Okay? See, here we have to remember one rule. 1-digit numbers are less than 2-digit numbers. 2-digit numbers are more than 1-digit numbers. What are 1-digit numbers? Very good. 1 to 9. In 1 to 9, what is the smallest? 1. What is the greatest? 9. What is the first 2-digit number? 10. In this chapter, we learned up to 20 only. That's why we have to practice 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 means 2 tens. 10 and 10 make 20. 2 tens and 0 ones. Okay, that is going to place value. Shall I write examples? Okay now. 9, 6, 10, 8. First, write greatest number. Next, smallest number in the given numbers. When we are going to find out greatest and smallest, first check the digits. If any 2-digit number is there in the given numbers, that is greater. 9, 6, 10, 8. 9, 6 and 8 are 1-digit numbers. 10 is 2-digit number. Then 10 is the greatest number in the given numbers, isn't it? Now compare ones numbers. 9, 6, 8. See, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Which group having more? Yes, this group having more. That means 9 is more. Then 8 is next. 6 is less. That means this having more. This also having more. But in this group having less. That means 6 is small number. 6 is small number in the given numbers. 10 is the greatest. 6 is the smallest. 2-digit number is more than 1-digit numbers. Okay, another example. 13, 19, 16, 11. Find the greatest number and smallest number. Find the greatest means big number. Smallest means small number in the given numbers. See, first you check the given numbers. All are 2-digit numbers. 110, 1, 1. 110, 6 ones. 110, 9 ones. 110, 3 ones. 13, 19, 16, 11. In the given numbers, which is the greatest number? Very good. 19 is the greatest. Why? 19 having 9 ones. 9 is greater than 3, 6 and 1. That's why 19 is the greatest. Very good. Now smallest number is 13, 16, 11. Which is the small? Yes, 11 is the smallest. Greatest number and smallest number. Okay. How to compare? See, tens number having 1. 1 is common. Ones number having here 3, here 9, here 6, here 1. 3, 9, 6, 1. Here in 1-digit number 9 is the greatest, 1 is the smallest. That's why 19 is the greatest, 11 is the smallest. Another example. 14, 20, 18, 12. Right? Greatest number and smallest number. Greatest means big number. Smallest means small number. Okay? Come on, find out. In the same rule. Once, see, 110, 110, 110. But this number having 2 tens. 2 is more than 1. Then 20 is greatest among the given numbers. Now find out the smallest. 4 ones, 8 ones, 2 ones. Which number having less ones? 4, 8, 2. Yes. Then 12 is the smallest in the given numbers. Okay, understood the concept? Greatest number, smallest number. Now, next one. Comparing the numbers. Comparing numbers. Comparing numbers. Which is greatest, which is smallest, already I taught you. Next one goes to, we are going to compare the number. Here use the symbol for greater than, symbol for greater than. Symbol given symbols are Greater than. What is it? Greater than. G-R-E-A-T-E-R. Greater than. Greater than. Less than. L-E-S-S-T-H-A-N. Less than. Equal to. E-Q-U-A-L-T-O. Equal to. These symbols we are going to keeping in between the given numbers. Okay? Greater than, less than, equal to. Greater than. G-R-E-A-T-E-R. Greater. T-H-A-N. Than. Greater than. Second symbol. Less than. L-E-S-S. Less. T-H-A-N. Than. Less than. Third symbol is equal to. E-Q-U-A-L. Equal. T-O-2. Equal to. Greater than. Symbol for greater than. Symbol for less than. Symbol for equal to. Now we are going to using these symbols in the given two numbers. In between the given two numbers. We are going to compare. The open side always, yes, shows big number. Open side always shows big number. A side అయితే big number ఉంటుందో ఆ side open ఉంటుంది. Okay, understood the concept? The symbol for greater than, symbol for less than, symbol for equal to. Once again, greater than, less than, equal to. Greater than, less than, equal to. Now we are going to using these three symbols in between the given numbers. Examples. Given numbers are 8 and 3. 8 and 3. 8 means like this. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 means only like this. 1, 2, 3. Which number having more? This number having more. That means 8 is big, 3 is small. 8 is big, 3 is small. Here we are going to keeping symbol greater than. Greater than. See, open side always shows big number. Open side always shows big number. This is read as 8 is greater than 3. 8 is greater than 3. 8 is greater than 3. 8 is big, 3 is small. Next example. 4 and 9. 4 and 9. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which number having more? 9 having more. That means 9 is big, 4 is small. 9 is big, 4 is small. You put the symbol less than. 4 is small. That's why we put the symbol less than. See, open side looks big number. Yes or no? How to read it? 4 is less than 9. 4 is less than 9. 4 is less than 9. That means 4 small number, 9 big number. Another example. 5 and 5. 5 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both numbers having same objects. That means both are equal to. This is going to equal to symbol. Put in between these two numbers equal to. 5 equal to 5. No comparison. No big number. No small number. Both the numbers are same. 5 equal to 5. 5 equal to 5. 8 is greater than 3. 4 is less than 9. 5 equal to 5. All numbers are one digit numbers. Okay. Now I show you examples for two digit numbers. How we are going to put the correct symbol. symbol in between the given two-digit numbers. 12 and 18. Which symbol we are going to keep in here? How we are going to? Yes, see, 12 means 1 10 and 2 ones. 12 means 1 10 and 2 ones. Already we learned this place value. 18 means 1 10 and 8 ones. Tens are same, 1 10 and 1 10. Ones are 12 having 2 ones, 8 having 8 ones. 2 ones and 8 ones. Which number having more ones? 18 having more ones. That means 18 is big, 12 is small. 18 is big, 12 is small. 12 is small. Then we are going to keeping less than. Open side always looks big number. Okay, see how to read this. 12 is less than 18. 12 is less than 18. See, ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. Tens place numbers are same. Comparing ones, 2 ones, 8 ones. 2 is small. 2 is less than 8. That's why 12 is less than 18. 12 is less than 18. Another example. Here we are going to using two-digit numbers. 17. Look at the second example. 17 and 13. 17 and 13. Ones, tens. Ones place, tens place. Both having 110 and 110. Now comparing ones. 7 ones, 3 ones. 7 is greater than 3. That means 17 is greater than 13. 17 is greater than 13. Another example. 18 and 18. 110, 110. 8 ones, 8 ones. Both are same, equal to 18 equal to 18. This is using the correct symbol greater than, less than, equal to in the given two numbers. Understood the concept, my dear children? We continue in the next class. Learn table of 3 and practice spellings from 11 to 20. Spellings means number names. ELEVEN 11, TWENTY 20. 11 to 20 number names you have to learn. Okay, we continue in the next class.